What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. If you're new to the channel, if you see me in one of these, it's cold. But here's the deal. We're about to do work. It's my first day out of quarantine. We need some parts. We're gonna go to the pick and pull and see if there's anything. There probably isn't, but we're gonna go out there anyway and just see what, what we can find out there. Jason needs some spindles, some 94, 95 spindles for his car. We'll talk about that later. But yes, it's cold. And not exactly the best day to do it, but whatever. Let's go. Alright, so I'm thinking this is going to be a pretty productive day. What do you think? We see two SN95s right out of the gate, so you never know. We could have done this when it was a little warmer, right? Yeah. Ah, that's a Mark 8. Yeah, that's a Mark 8. Guys, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you, if you don't get excited going to the junkyard, you're just not a real man. Yeah, see, those are Edge cars. That's a 05. Yeah, that's 05. Probably that green one, I guess. See anything good?
Huh?
See anything good?
There's a black one
here. Yeah. That's it. Question is, how are we gonna keep the
we're gonna get that off with.
cut that brake line.
I can get the bracket off too, though.
Yeah.
I don't got nothing that small. That's a little bitty. I might have.
Yeah, we'll take a look, see what we got. There's a, yeah, so that's a Mark 8. This should have a 4 valve in it. Holy crap, it's in there. A 4 valve. If I'm not mistaken, well, I think it was the earlier ones. It might be a Texid. Quick note, guys, you're looking for cheap rear disc brakes. There you go. You want to know where mine came from? Car just like this. Alright, guys, I'm going to check this other car real quick. See what we got. This is actually a GT. Yeah. Spindles are on it. Huh, engine's still in it. Yeah, these actually probably be a little better. That's kind of crazy. I thought they were all 6 cylinders. This is a GT. Somebody already got the 8.8 freaking Flowmaster cat pack. Unreal. Yeah. Wise man once said, bring your jack handle. Funny story about my jack handle. I got a piece of a rubber ratchet handle stuck in it. Freaking Husky. Definitely next time we do pick and pull, minimum like 60 degrees, yeah? Yeah, so we're standing here. Notice this friggin' V6 car got a Cobra bumper cover on it. Alright, so we're on the hunt for something. Keep that A arm from flying. This ought to do it. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. Knock that last bolt out. Beat that thing out. Then we'll knock the wheel out from under it. So we can run then. Hopefully OSHA's not watching this. Alright. Oh, here goes nothing. That's it. Is that the screwdriver's holding it? Oh yeah. Oh, it's close. We're lifting the whole damn car. That freaking brake. Every time we turn it, squirting the brake. We need something to wedge that thing up against. Let's see. Maybe put a pry bar in or something. Oh, we're so close. So close. Yeah. That's it. Did it pop? Yeah. Alright, well, guys, she's out. Oh, didn't you? Did not? You missed the part of us whooping the crap out of that ball joint, but dude, it's actually easier than I thought. As far as I was thinking, everything would be seized up. And all right, grabbing another wheel here. Yeah, I ain't grabbing that one, guys. I had the bright idea. I was just gonna kick that wheel out from under and let the spring go where it wanted to, but then I realized there's probably younger folks watching this that don't need a bad example, so we're gonna do this one as by the book as possible out here in the woods in the mud. I can already read the comments. My God, will you guys stop sniffing in the freaking microphone? But dude, it's almost Christmas. It's cold out here. Look at that. Boom. Easiest freaking tie rod ever.
Fine.
Yeah. Almost there.
Try that.
Nice, yeah. Yeah. Nothing to it.
No, I'll go get that bottom out.
I'm gonna take it out. Yeah. Still on it?
No.
Oh.
Hang on. Alright.
Alright. On it. Still spinning?
Yep.
Know when you own it.
Alright, try that.
Huh?
I'm tightening it.
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Alright, so I've got a caliper and a Taurus wheel. What could go wrong, right?
Yeah.
There it is. Yeah.
It's popped in, homie.
There she bees. Alright, pop that freaking ball joint. We're good to go. Yeah. Like it was meant to be. 2 SN95 spindles. No waiting. You know what's even more cool? This car's got a Steeda firewall adjuster on it.
With a 3.8?
Yeah, V6 car. So the question is, you think they got any older trucks with Windsors in them out here? There's an old bump side. Or a dent side, excuse me. Oh, old dent side. This one's picked over, I'm sure. No? Oh, look like 302 in there. Guys, I'm telling you, if I can find like a 95, 96 F-150 out here with a Windsor, haul that thing off too. Uh-oh, what's this?
5'8". What's the thing say?
I think it's 5'8".
What's it say?
It doesn't. The older ones didn't say it. What's it say right there? 5'0". Yeah, it's 5'0". EFI Fuely 5'0". It's like an 86 model. EFI 4. There you go. Boom. Another bowl nose. Got that custom paint though. That's 5'0".
Calculator.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
4.2. Oh, it's gonna be a new one.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a 5'4". Now, if you got a Lightning, there's your console conversion right there. Gen 2 Lightning conversion. Yeah. Oh, look at the boat paint. Now that is epic. That's some serious bass boat paint on that thing. Look at the flake on this thing. That's crazy.
I ain't mistaken, that's factory. No.
Come on now. That's the bass boat edition. 5.9 RT. That's a hot rod. Probably 6-cylinder. Expedition. Well, I'm not seeing any Windsor candidates. Hey, is that a 5? That's a V8 Explorer. Ah!
Well, no intake.
Look at there.
Somebody robbed the intake.
Yeah, upper's gone.
No, it's right here.
Sure enough. I'm guaranteeing with this hood stuck open, that's probably been rained in. Yeah, there you go, guys. There's your GT40P intake and heads. B8. We ought to go ahead and get you some freaking rear disc brake stuff while we're here. Yeah, this one's picked up. Yeah, they really are. Car's clean. Look, there's all your disc brakes. Rotors, brackets, everything. This freaking car is clean. Not much on that one. Yeah. It says Honda. Now we got one more row of Fords back here. Another Explorer, a couple Explorers. Yeah, it's a V6 truck. Haha, Jason, over here. Yeah, this one's not touched.
Got a can in it.
Yeah. Yeah, this engine hadn't been touched. I mean, they've been fooling with the coil packs and stuff, but there you go, roller cam, GT40P heads.
Just had to come to Jackson and get it.
Uh-huh. See, these have analog clusters in them. 146,000 miles.
So 98 right here.
Yeah, it's only got 146,000 miles on it. Damn! Freaking need that engine.
I think a rat went in there and built him a nest.
Yeah, probably, yeah. Well, damn. I guess that's all the good ones. They almost got that one out. So close, but so far. Damn! Little fire on the Crown Vic. Good God. What a mess. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. So we got the 94, 95 Spindles. Gonna try those. I think possibly might have ended up with some edge car on Jason's car. They're sticking out a little farther than we'd like, so we're gonna try these and see what happens. Yeah, somehow we missed this car. What is it? Yeah, aftermarket. That's the one that, you know, they do the double din. Yeah. You got the seat top is a tape and bottom CD. Yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, you're trying to do 5 lug on the cheap, come on out. Yeah, they definitely got some cars out here. Alright, success. We'll try those out. Hopefully they pull them wheels in, you think?
I hope so. I hope that's my problem.
Alright guys, so that's gonna about wrap it up for today. Like I said, if you've never enjoyed a good day at the junkyard, you're letting the best things in life pass you by. I promise you. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed the video, big thumbs up. Yes, I'm freezing, I'm sorry, and I botched the outro. So I'm just gonna quit now. Later guys.